Welcome to the Uke Jam video for Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. This features C chord, F chord and a G7 chord. Goes from the top of the page down to halfway, then back to the top of the page, and next time it goes all the way to the bottom of the page. Let's take a listen to this song. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Let's rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitch by my doorstep, yet singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing